What's up YouTube, Stu2008 here. I just thought I'd do a quick unboxing video. I got a new pair of Asics runners. They are the Gel-Cumulus 23 Lite-Show. I got them in the green. Well, this is green. Yeah. Well, I like green, luminous green, so I suppose you could say. I got them on sale from Lifestyle Sports today for €70 minus $7.80 for a Singles Day. Not complaining some. Typical box. Nothing really too fancy about them. And here we are. Nice luminous green. They're quite nice. They're quite light. I did try them on in stores, so they are quite comfortable enough. Some gel cushioning technology down there. The material around here is quite light, breathable. They look pretty good. There's the offer, €70. Nothing else in the box. Quite light, quite nice, green, luminous green. I'll just be wearing these as an everyday kind of runner. Walking mainly, no jogging, no running. Just everyday use. So light, nice, luminous green. Guess that's it. Thanks for watching. Stu2008 here. Bye.